Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, luggage rack, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.